Mobile phone repair made simple. We support all models of iPhone for back glass repair. First, we select the model of iPhone for repair, such as iPhone XR. We then insert the device into the back glass laser machine and press begin. The machine takes the template and uses the laser to melt the glue under the back glass. After this process, the back glass can be removed easily and safely without damaging any of the components on the iPhone. Get your back glass repaired professionally and quickly. Make your iPhone look like new again. No need to purchase a new phone or use expensive repair companies. We don't just support iPhones for device repair. We support a wide range of devices, including smartphones such as Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy, and most other mobile device brands. We can also repair tablets, iPads, laptops, MacBooks, desktop computers, game consoles, and even smart watches such as the Apple Watch or Samsung Watch.